welcome to How to Housewife. I am doing a 15-minute kitchen challenge today. My kitchen is not that bad because it is a leftovers night, so I don't have the pots and pans to scrub, but I want to get the dishes done, microwave clean, and the floors done all in 15 minutes. That might be a bit of a push, but we'll see how we go. So I'm going to set the timer on the microwave and let's go.
So I've got some toys on the floor, compliments of my son, and a pile of dishes. I also have a dirty stove, but I don't realize it at that point that it needs a little bit of a wipe down. Let's go. So I'm starting with the dishes and I'm just rinsing off all of the food at the moment, just so that when I fill up the sink with the soapy water, it's not all gross straight away. So I'm just rinsing that out, and then I'm going to wipe down the sink and fill it up with hot soapy water and do the dishes from there. So this is what I normally do. If you are new to my channel, please comment below so I can say hello to you. I'd love it if you'd consider subscribing. I love my subscribers and my viewers, and I love connecting with all of you in the comments. So comments are always appreciated. I am a stay-at-home mum of 2 boys, currently on maternity leave, and I do cooking, cleaning, and general mum lifestyle videos. So have a look at my channel and hopefully you find something that is right up your alley. At this point, I realized I've only got 7 minutes left, and because remember, I forgot about the stove top. I still need to do the microwave and I still need to do the floors, and normally when I mop the floors I use some kettle water so that the water's nice and hot and it's sterilizing everything, especially since I have a toddler and it all goes in the mouth. And also they dry really fast being hot water. So I am about to put that kettle on because that's going to take a couple of minutes and I am really pushed for time. So let's see how this is going to go. I'm actually pretty tired by this point and the timer is going to go off any second. In fact, just as I finished mopping, pretty much I walk away and then the timer starts going off. So there's the floor, the timer's just started going, you can see it flashing and it's at 0. And because I've just mopped the floor, I can't go over and turn the timer off. So it's beeping and I'm hoping it doesn't wake any babies up. So while I'm grabbing a towel to shimmy to my oven, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day and I hope you enjoy my videos and got a little bit of motivation to see what can happen in 15 minutes uninterrupted. There we go, all done. I'm going to go for a nap. See you later.